Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to get coordinates on Google Maps. If you want to get coordinates in Google Maps, then first of all, launch open the Google Maps application on your smartphone. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and zoom in on the map to find the place you want to find the coordinates for. Now, tap and hold your finger on the spot on the map for a few seconds until a pin appears. After the pin drops, a small information box will appear at the bottom. Simply go ahead and expand that, and there on the screen you will find your location's coordinates. You can simply tap on the coordinates button to copy it onto your clipboard. And that's how you get coordinates in Google Maps, quick and easy for any location. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Google Maps tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.